Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari. Hare Krishna, dear friends. His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti-yoga Swami Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, translated and commented on many of the main books of the Bhakti tradition, such as Bhagavad-gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Upanishad, and many other books. Also, some of his disciples have compiled his teachings in summarized style in some of his small books. One of these books is entitled On the Way to Krishna. This is a compilation made by one of Srila Prabhupada's disciples, Hayagriva Dasa, in 1966, based on Srila Prabhupada's lectures on Bhagavad-gita. Hence, in the book we find many references from the Bhagavad-gita, and the main theme of the book is to teach the reader how to attain true happiness through connecting to Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by following the process of Bhakti-yoga, especially the chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha-mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. As opposed to the frustration met by people in general by trying to become happy through wealth, sense pleasure, fame, mundane relationships, and similar pursuits. Srila Prabhupada also in these lectures gave a very clear difference between two types of people who are ignorant of the self and of the Supreme Soul, Krishna, who is present within everyone and everywhere. And Srila Prabhupada gives many quotations from the Bhagavad-gita explaining Krishna's presence and how we can connect to him by the process of Bhakti-yoga. One very important point mentioned in the book is that it is not possible to reach Krishna only through a theoretical, intellectual understanding, but it should be done through devotional service, the process of Bhakti-yoga. This is basically the conclusion of the book. On the Way to Krishna shows us the difference between material life based on illusory conceptions of reality, which brings only frustration to the people, in comparison to the dynamic process of Krishna consciousness, Bhakti-yoga, the process of pure devotional service, which brings one to experience true peace and happiness, which is what everyone is searching for. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.